Good evening, my name is Riley Vanasep and I will be introducing this presentation of Go Native Plants. This following presentation was created by Peyton Lishman, Giselle Rehor, and myself. Our goal is to reduce water consumption at our school campus. We are in 8th grade. Mrs. Chavez is our teacher. We go to Honeda Middle School. We are Go Native Plants. Honeda Middle School is located in Bealton, California, 30 miles north of Santa Barbara. There are around 172 students and 9 teachers. With this presentation, there are a couple pictures of Honeda Middle School that you can take a few seconds to look at. The water assessment. In the last 12 months, 1,920 gallons of water has been used by the school. August was the month of the highest water usage. February was the lowest. There are 10 sprinklers in the area. 20 gallons are used per minute. The square footage is 1,200. The area is watered for 20 minutes, twice a week, and the total cost is $460.80. The problem. For our EECCOA project, the problem identified is the amount of water and money being wasted on an area of the grass in the front of Honeda Middle School. The water from the sprinklers used in the designated area ends up hitting more of the sidewalk than the grass. This area is only 1% of the grass on campus, however, takes 160 gallons of water per month, which equates to $38.40.
Solution. Our solution is to replace the 15 by 80 feet area with drought-tolerant native plants. These plants will only be watered by the little rain that falls each year. We will remove all of the grass and turn off the 10 sprinklers in the area. If you look at the presentation, these are some pictures of the area of grass we would like to replace. Goal objectives. Our goal is to reduce the water consumption at Honeda Middle School by 60%. For every month, the school would save 160 gallons and $38.40. We are projecting to save water and resources over the next 10 years by approximately $2,764.80 and 11,520 gallons of water. If you look at the presentation, you will see our data tables and equations that we use to get the data tables. Donations. We would be receiving several donations to support our project, including stepping stones for the middle of the area for a walkway provided by Rosemary and Chuck Rehor, my grandparents, 50 to 60 native drought-tolerant plants from San Marcos Groves up in Santa Barbara area to cover the 15 by 80 feet area. We would be receiving planting tools provided by our school garden, manual labor provided by students at Honeda Middle School willing to volunteer their time, painting equipment and Mod Podge for the stepping stones with the contribution writing provided by Rosemary and Chuck Rehor.
Procedure. Our whole procedure is done by students from Honeda Middle School who want to volunteer their time to do manual work. First, we will get a responsible adult to use the 18-inch sod cutter to remove the 15 by 80 foot area. Then, we will turn off the 10 sprinklers in the area. We will leave the dirt area for a day so we can pick up the plants at the nursery. We will seal our contribution with some Mod Podge on the painted rock so that when it rains the paint will not rub off. The next day we will gather the volunteering students and go out to the area and plant the drought-tolerant native plants all in the designated area. We will also make a stone walkway through the area with the plants. We will paint on one stepping stone. It will say 8th grade EECCOA project by Giselle Rehor, Peyton Lishman, and Riley Vanasap. Thank you to San Marcos Growers and Rosemary and Chuck Rehor. The materials are an 18-inch sod cutter, drought-tolerant native plants, stepping stones, planting equipment, painting equipment, and Mod Podge, and any donations being investigated. The evaluation is the current annual cost to water is $460.80. The replacement cost is sod cutter, which is $36, plants donated, and sprinklers are $0. $36 for 1 month of watering without any replacements is $38.40. Annual savings to district is $424.80. The communication. Our first method is to present to the Buellton City Council and to present to Earth Day event around the area, given the idea to use native plants to reduce water consumption. And there's a video of us presenting to the Buellton City Council. The timeline. We would like to get this project done in a maximum of 1 year. So if all goes well, we would like this project to be finished in late January 2019. Thank you. Thank you to San Marcos Growers and Rosemary and Chuck Rehor for contributing to our project.